Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Pragmata demo crashing at setups, CTD, resolve shelter, complaint issue, and fix fatal D3D error on PC.
Fix 1. Update graphics driver Step 1. Open NVIDIA AMD Intel official website Step 2. Download and install the latest GPU driver Step 3. Restart your PC Fix 2. Run game as administrator Step 1. Right. Click PRAGMATA Demo X Step 2. Click Run as administrator Fix 3. Verify game file Step 1. Open Steam Step 2. Library PRAGMATA Demo Properties Step 3. Installed file. Verify integrity of game files. Fix 4. Disable overlays. D3D crash fix. Step 1. Turn off Steam overlays. Step 2. Disable. Discord GeForce Experience overlays. Step 3. Relaunch the game. Fix 5. Force DirectX 11. Fatal D3D error. Step 1. Steam PRAGMATA Demo Properties. Step 2. Launch options. Add. DX11. Step 3. Start the game. Fix 6. Clear shader cache. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type %localhost%. Step 2. Delete D3DS cache folder. Step 3. Restart PC and launch game. Fix 7. Disable GPU overclock. Step 1. Open MSI Afterburner or GPU software. Step 2. Reset GPU to default clock. Step 3. Launch game again.